Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and device. Install Waze, sign in, and enable GPS so your phone can locate you without data. Once done, pre-cache the route or area by opening the route while online. Waze stores map tiles and turn data temporarily. Make sure location permission and background location are allowed, and disable aggressive battery optimization so GPS stays active. This initial step ensures your device can display navigation and receive satellite fixes even when mobile data drops. Next, you plan every route you might need and force Waze to calculate it while you still have internet. Once Waze finishes the route, it caches turn-by-turn, speed camera, and lane guidance for that trip. This is why you should open alternate routes too. Make sure to save important places and recent searches so they remain available. If intersections are tricky, take a screenshot of the map section as a visual backup. Also, disable automatic reroute reliance so Waze won't stall trying to fetch new data. Now you navigate, rely on GPS and the cached route, follow voice prompts and visible turn instructions even when Waze shows no network. If the GPS drifts or position freezes, toggle device location off and on or reboot, then reopen the cached route so Waze reloads stored directions. If you find a missing segment, briefly reconnect to mobile data to refresh and recache that portion. Otherwise, reroute manually using screenshots or saved POIs. If nothing works,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.